Bullish Algorand, ALGO, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.53 and $3.34 by 2030. Despite the fact that it has consequently lost most of these additions, investigators and sites that gauge costs are hopeful that it will one day again arrive at comparative levels. What follows for the altcoin, then, at that point? How about we analyze the Algorand blockchain's activity in additional profundity and look at its cost advancement? What is Algorand, ALGO? The Algorand blockchain, which means to answer the catch-22 of safety, speed, and decentralization, involves Algo as its local cash. Algorand achieves this objective by making and approving its blocks through an agreement method called unadulterated confirmation of stake. How much Algo a client wagers influences how haphazardly the block chief and approval council are picked. Algorand was laid out in 2017 by teacher Silvio Micheli of the Massachusetts Establishment of Innovation, MIT, in the U.S., and its blockchain and neighborhood money appeared in June 2019. The Algo coin cost immediately fell a day after presentation. Algorand, ALGO, crucial examination. In June 2019, Algo sent off its underlying coin offering, with a $2.40 sticker price. Value tumbled to $2.16 on June 22, the principal day of exchange. This was just the beginning as the value continued to decline throughout the following months, hitting a low of 19 cents on September 27, 2019. This crash happened for different causes. The first was the 10 billion symbolic inventory that would be conveyed bit by bit. Algorand said that 3 billion Algo will be sold at public sale throughout the span of the initial 5 years following the organization's foundation. Notwithstanding the elevated degree of public premium, the market couldn't deal with the monstrous measure of Algo and financial backers' $24 billion valuation. One more likely figure the breakdown of the value of Algo's money was private financial backers. Financial backers bought Algo through confidential position adjusts, which fixed the coin's cost somewhere in the range of 5 cents and 50 cents. At the point when the token was delivered, it had a worth of $2.16. Permitting individual financial backers to make critical increases. Previous Algorand establishment task boss Chen Fangfang addressed a letter to the monetary local area. The letter asserted that early patrons had presented the drive to unnecessary dangers by undercutting and unloading coins, as indicated by worldwide coin exploration. Algorand, ALGO, specialized investigation. Subsequent to being added to Coinbase, the cost of Algo's money expanded. It was one of the swiftest on the stage, as indicated by Algorand. At the point when the news was delivered, the cost had ascended about 30 cents. Throughout the span of the accompanying year and a half of exchange, Algo attempted to get past the 50 cents edge, not to mention outperform its underlying cost, in spite of a couple of increments. The cash began seeing a bullish pattern toward the start of 2021. All through the year the token supported this development, ultimately hitting a long-term high of $1.71. Like the previous cost fall of Algo, various elements could have caused this increment. Stablecoin interest was the first. Stablecoins join the dauntlessness of government-issued money with the decentralized qualities of digital currencies. Algorand has arisen as a cutthroat option for stablecoin guarantors since Ethereum has costly gas costs. Through a joint effort with the momentary currency market exchanging stage Instamatch worldwide, Algorand was likewise standing out. Algorand took care of millions of dollars of exchanges like clockwork. El Salvador, in August 2021, pronounced that Algorand will act as the establishment for its cryptographic money framework. At that point, the coin was going for around $1.12. In the days that followed, the expense soared to an unsurpassed post-send-off high of $2.38. The money finished at $1.63 in spite of Algorand having quite recently delivered an update that improved brilliant agreements by empowering them to be written in well-known programming dialects like Python and Reach. Since LimeWire, a record-sharing programming, picked Algorand to run its NFT commercial center, Algo has encountered some rebound. In the wake of arriving at a high of 97 cents, the token held at 80 cents. At the point when FIFA reported its participation with Algorand, it showed that the organization would turn into the association's true blockchain stage and would offer the association's true blockchain upheld wallet arrangement. The Q2 bull runs, however, were brief, and by mid-May, an all-inclusive implosion saw Algo exchanging at 36 cents lows. Algorand, ALGO, current cost. Algorand is as of now worth $0.340371. Algo has moved 2.13% as of now with an exchanging volume of $197,296,963. Algorand is as of now position 29 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $2,394,142,052. Algorand, ALGO, Value Expectation 2022. Algorand, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. ALGO. The Algo cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $0.510557. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.476520 in cost is very aggressive, however it is practical soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Algo is supposed to have a base worth of $0.408445. Algorand, ALGO, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Algorand Algo cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Algo will before long outperform $0.850928. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the Algo's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Algo will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.680742 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.748817. Algorand, ALGO, Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.19 and Algo might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Algo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.09 and a low of $1.02 in 2024. Algorand, ALGO, Value Forecast 2025. In the event that